What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Solana. Currently we're sitting at 179. We're down about 5.8 on the day. Market cap 83.82 billion. 24-hour volume is 3.15 billion. So let's hop into the charts. Now we can pull back from here because we've already broken the wave 3 high. We pretty much hit the 0.5. The normal target is the 61.8 at 201. However, we are seeing a little bit of sell-off. So especially if we break that wave 4 low, that's more confirmation that you've already finished the impulse. And you're going to see a pullback. So if that does happen, let me pop over to our next chart. We've already hit our TP1 on this trade here. So if that does happen off this, where's my wave count? Off this low here is your wave 1 to the upside, and then you'll have your wave 2 pullback before continuing up. Quickly plug in my laptop here. All right, before continuing up here, in a 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we do pull back from here, take a fib retracement from the bottom of the wave count all the way up to the top, and you can pull back in between the 50%, the 78.6, which would bring you down to a target zone of in between 158 and 138. Usually you'll bounce off the 0.5, the 61.8. If you come all the way down to the 78.6, you can bounce off that level as well, but if it breaks, then it becomes riskier that you're going to invalidate the impulse. But as of right now, we have a beautiful impulse to the upside. So if we do pull back from here, look for a bounce in between 138 and 158 before continuation back to the upside. As you can see, we have this massive double bottom. We are retesting that neckline. So of course, anything can happen. If we do continue to push up from here, then look for 201 to about 210. But it looks like we have bearish divergence here on the 4-hour as well as the money flow. So if we do come down and break the wave 4 low at 165, that's more confirmation you're going to see that deeper pullback for our friend Solana. All right, gang. So currently we are in 3 crypto trades right now, as well as multiple Forex trades. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. When you sign up through my link down below, you get 10% back on every one of your trades on your fees. Once you make your first deposit, just send me email. It can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. And I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals, Forex analysis. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.